Hey everyone, this is Chris. I'm the founder of Law Hustle, also a fellow attorney like yourself. I'm going to take this time in this video to kind of go over what case retention AI is, why you need it for your firm, and I'm going to run you through a quick demo of what it looks like for your end users or your potential clients when they actually experience case retention AI, right? The ultimate goal of case retention AI is to get you more cases for your law firm without you having to do more work. Everyone is tired of processing leads, calling leads, chasing them, trying to get them on their calendar to see if they actually want to retain you for your services. That is the biggest problem that a lot of attorneys face, is worrying about where their next case is coming from, right? Instead of focusing on the clients that they already have, we should be focusing on what we do. What we went to law school for is actually working on cases and making them better for our clients, not necessarily chasing down leads and getting them on the phone for the hopes that they may actually hire us or retain us for our services. So case retention AI maximize the value of your marketing budget to bring more of those leads into the appointment stage in a personal way that's personal to you, right? So it's like you as an individual, as an attorney, sending all the text messages to the lead. It's you reaching out to them to get them to just show them that you want to help them with their potential case, right? So that's essentially what case retention AI is, right? It's an automated way that we built proprietary to our own law firm to be able to scale our activities and be able to sign more cases for our law firm. Let's say a lead's coming in through our web chat, and we are, sending them messages, trying to get them on the phone call, and then the lead actually responds back and says like, yeah, I would love to see if you can help me with my case. So let's go ahead and jump in right there. That's kind of like where we're at, right? We've already sent some messages, and now the lead has responded saying that they would like to have a conversation with the attorney. Now I have this all tied into my cell phone right now in front of me, but you'll kind of have an idea of kind of what is going on. All right, so there's the first message that we see that came in from our case retention AI, right? So it says, hey Chris, this is Anna taking over for Jason Doe. I am an intake specialist, and my goal is to gather some more information about your potential personal injury case before getting you booked for a free consultation. Do you mind if I ask you a couple questions? Okay, standard, right? This is a pretty good response right out of the gate, but this is actually a text message that was in response of somebody saying like, yeah, I would love to chat. So I'm gonna respond, yes, I would. Yes, that would be great. All right, responds back. Great. Were you injured in an auto accident? Well, I am going to say I was rear-ended while at a stop sign. So it says, I'm sorry to hear that. How long ago was the accident? I'm going to actually throw it up for a loop here real quick. I'm not sure if I need an attorney or can afford one. So I'm going to say common objections, right? Some people message in, they say that they can't afford an attorney, or they don't know if they have the means to be able to pay for attorney services. So let's kind of see what happens here. Even though personal injury is a contingency basis, let's kind of see what the kind of responses we get back. So this is all geared towards personal injury right now, right? But keep in mind that this could be programmed for probate, estate turning, estate planning, workers' compensation, anything you want, real estate. If you have particular instances of how you would like to ask particular qualifying questions, definitely possible. You can put anything you want in here for qualifying your potential new clients. Well, great. This is a good response that just came out. So after I responded, so I sent back saying that, I'm not sure if I need an attorney or I can afford one, right? So the case retention AI actually sent back, the case evaluation is completely free with us. Our goal is to make sure we get you the help and information you need to make an informed decision of Law Hustle Demo and Growth LLP handling your potential personal injury case. The next step is to book a free consultation call. Is there a day that works best for you? We can offer the following 2 available times. As you can see, like it's kind of already like walking them into getting them on the call, so at least you can have that initial discussion with them. Now, just to keep in mind, that's actually looking at the attorney's calendar. That is looking at the attorney's calendar and not booking a call where there's a conflict. And the conflict would be like in a meeting with the client, in a deposition, already in court, unable to take a call for whatever reason, right? We book when you have an available slot on the attorney's calendar so they actually can have that discussion, right? And there's no conflicts or double bookings, right? So we look for all that in our case retention AI. That's just a piece of the puzzle, and that just makes for a more convenient experience, right, for the attorney, right? Because he can just jump from call to call all day long and close down these leads. So now I'm presented with potential opportunities of times, right? Great. Now, as you can see, it actually came back after I said that at 4 p.m. works great for me on the 29th. And it said, great, your appointment's all set for Monday, the 29th at 4 p.m. Now, the beauty of this is this entirely happened with nobody being involved whatsoever. No paralegal, no call center, none of your time. You can focus on your client stuff. And our case retention AI took over the conversation, guided it through your qualification questions, and booked it on your calendar so they could stop shopping, right? This is the biggest sticking point right here. Getting them to your calendar so they stop talking to other law firms and wait for the appointment for you so you can actually have that discussion with them. So I hope this helps. Case retention AI is one of those things that we built in our own law firm that's been completely awesome and game changer for us, right? We've been able to ingest, we started with 5 cases, and over the course of the last few years of developing this and making this better and better as time goes by, we've been able to ingest over 600 plus cases in our law firm just by letting it run itself and letting it guide all of our potential new clients into our consultation calendar, so we actually can have that discussion with them and get them booked for our calendar. So that is essentially what case retention AI is, and a quick demo of what it looks like. And if you're anything like me, this will revolutionize the legal industry, and it'll make you retaining new clients and gaining a ton of more clients much, much, much easier for your law firm. Thanks, everyone.